Hi everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video we were invited to the Philippine Army gym through our non-profit called Well Balanced World. We first provided a health talk about the benefits of chiropractic care, and then we demonstrated the power of the chiropractic adjustment. In this video you're going to watch superstar volleyball player Jovelyn Gonzaga receive her incredible chiropractic adjustment. Be sure to watch to the end to witness her reaction and how she felt afterward. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and click on the subscribe button and the bell for notifications.
Oh.
How do you start this way, please?
Nami. Birthday ka nami.
Birthday ka nami.
Sarap no. Mami. Sorry, ningit ko kayo. Oh! You are Oo nga.
Baliw ka, ikaw na pasingit na ang direktor.
Oh.
Very good. Face down for me, please.
Wala kasi
Even. Your legs are even.
Alright. Thank you so much. Oh, solid kasi kailangan ng katawan kasi very athletic kasi naglalaro kami. So, kailangan talaga ng maintenance. So, sobrang. Thank you. Thank you.
Name niya pala, sorry.
Jovelyn Gonzaga.
If you enjoyed this video, click on the like button and leave a comment below. We post weekly chiropractic videos. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and click on the subscribe button and the bell for notifications. There are more videos on our visit to the Philippine Army gym. To continue watching another video, the one above here is the one I chose, and the one down here is what YouTube chose for you. See you soon. Take care and be well.